Here's how to use the third book from ibcway.com. The Winds of Change. 10 C-level dialogues to improve your English.
If you buy all 4 books, this is how they will appear on your tablet or phone.
In business, you must always say the right words, the right time, and every time.
In this book, we bring you the story of 3 executives who fight to keep their company from going under.
10 long C-level conversations to help you become fluent in over 1,000 business terms.
Is it just me, or are there a few more people in the cafeteria today?
You're right. It looks like the whole company decided to have lunch at the same time.
And to conduct business comfortably in English with native and non-native speakers.
Supply and demand sometimes become unpredictable, and lately, they have been for us.
For now, the conversations are only in English and French. We plan on adding other languages.
Eh bien, quand il pleut à verse.
The business concept for our dialogues is based on the New York Times best-selling book, Execution: The Discipline of Getting Things Done, by Larry Bossidy and Ram Charan.
For books to definitely satisfy your English needs. Get them for yourself, or for someone you know that needs them.
Remember, when you subscribe, like, and comment, it helps Google send the page to others. Thank you.